Do you have a gas fireplace where the pilot light won't stay on? If so, here's some simple tips to help get you back in the game. Look around to the back side where the pilot nozzle comes out into the fireplace and see if you can find this little hole on the side. Get a can of compressed air or a pipe cleaner and clean out this little hole. Spray some air down through the main opening of the nozzle as well, and that should fix your problem with the pilot light not staying on. While you have it all apart, it certainly makes sense to clean out the main gas holes all along the burner tube. All these little holes where the gas comes out and shows your fire at, you can take a small brush and just lightly clean the surface of the metal gas tube. That'll really help with the appearance and efficiency of the flame as well. Once it's clean and back together, light the pilot light again, turn the gas valve, and poof, flames. Isn't that great?